This is the last time.
What last time?
I come over here and take this bullshit. You understand me? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Back at it again with another hair video. Right? You look like Branch. We are going to bleach. Oh, what's your name again?
Caller, next caller, next caller.
Oh, we're taking.
What does touch AF mean?
Touch autofocus.
I just knew that said as fuck.
What did he say?
As fuck. That's too much.
I'm talking over it.
Perfect.
Move like a snake, like a snake, move like a snake.
Ready? You see those numbers? That is a clock. Shot clock. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. He's done.
I'm finna teach you a magic trick.
Magic,
you see the
Jack.
You see the eyes.
Oz.
Jackass.
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. How do you feel?
Alright, you doing too much now. I can feel that shit. Don't do that.
I didn't do nothing.
What are you doing in the front?
That's gonna give you a little fade down. Stop thinking.
What are you doing in the front? You wasn't supposed to do the front. You supposed to do the top.
This is the top. I've been had it right here.
Okay.
I did. So now we're just wasting stuff.
Now you get into the sides. I feel where you at.
Yeah, I'm all the way on your head.
Oh shit, we gotta do this shit. That's why you need the plastic bag.
You got me gifted. You got me gifted. This is how they do it on the music video. It's so fun. Show you how you get.
My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess that I still believe. I make a motherfucker say, oh yeah, I'm colder than line with no hell. If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear, cause that bitch gonna need it. From a poem I wrote. What? You surprised I wrote a poem? What?
Come here.
I'm right here.
Did you type in Ryan's toy review?
I know.
I did it at my mom's house.
Okay.
So why is it coming up on here?
Because Emery watches it. She probably watched it last time the app was open.
You know what I'm thinking?
What?
They got everybody's shit connected.
Who?
Because this is a guest. I signed in to guest at my mom's house, and the only thing I typed in was Ryan's toy review.
What's that got to do with anything?
It's on your TV too.
Because Emery watches it. She's watched it in here before.
Oh.
You getting a little too governmental on me right now. The
I
government.
feel like that's not the only thing she watched in here.
Yes, it is.
I'm about to type whatever I'm typing. I'm about to see if it's at my mom's house.
You gotta remember.
I forgot.
Don't lose faith. Trust your heart.
Turn it up. Oh, I still really getting low.
Okay. Period.
Oh, okay.
Period.
I
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Can I please bite a chunk out of that ass?
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Can I please bite a chunk out of that ass?
So you can bleach my hair for the first time. I don't know how it look. I just know it's getting cut off tomorrow. 1, 2, 3.
Got your ass.
Wow. Oh no, this is definitely getting cut tomorrow.
Can you get this one look fine?
Don't look bad, but this is getting cut tomorrow. What's up, my man? What's up? I see what you're talking about in the front now, shit. Or I could, if I had more hair.
Look at the side, no.
That's like perfectly. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Damn.
That's perfect. It look good. Not too light. Know what I'm saying? Not too bleachy. That look good. What? She did a good job. I do like it. This is simple for me. So I can rock this.
With a haircut?
I like it. This just ain't my style. Know what I'm saying? But it look good. I might hold on to it.